Hello guys, welcome to your YouTube channel, your maths guide. Guys, on this channel I'll be completing the complete mathematics syllabus for class 10 CBSE or NCERT. Okay, so if you wish to learn class 10 mathematics, you can follow me. Today we are going to start with exercise 2.2 of chapter 2, that is polynomials. Okay, so before going forward with exercise 2.2, let me just tell you guys, any quadratic equation, okay, quadratic equation will always be in a standard form. So what is the standard form of quadratic equation? That is ax square plus bx plus c, that will be 0. Okay, so where x are the variables and a, b, c are the coefficients. So if the equation is not in this form, you have to arrange it in this form. Sometimes they give us jumble, sometimes they give us like ax square plus c plus bx, so you just have to rearrange it. And if it is not in this form, then it is not a quadratic equation. Okay, so let us start with question 1. First question. Let us see what does the first main question say. Find the zeros of the following quadratic polynomials and verify the relationship between the zeros and the coefficient. Yeah, so they have given quadratic polynomials, that is quadratic equation. Here's the quadratic equation, x square minus 2x minus 8. Okay, so here you can see it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Means a, this is not there, so it is in the form of ax. The value of a is just 1x square minus 2x minus 8. So you have to solve this by factorization method, guys. How do you factorize? You always take the first coefficient and the last coefficient, you multiply that. Okay, 1 into 8 will be 8. 1 into 8 will be 8. So the factors of 8. The factors of 8 should be such that when you add them, you get minus 2, and when you multiply them, you get minus 8. Okay, so yeah, minus 4 plus 2. Great. See, minus 4 plus 2, you get minus 2. Minus 4 into plus 2, minus 8. So you have to select your factors like this. So we'll write it as 1x square minus 4x minus 2x, plus 2x, minus 4x plus 2x. This term you split it, minus 4x plus 2x will give you minus 2x minus 8. So from this take x common. So when you take x common, it will remain x minus 4 plus 2, you take common here, x minus 4. So x minus 4, you just select one bracket, and next will be x plus 2. X plus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore x minus 4 is equal to 0, x plus 2 is equal to 0. So x is equal to, send this minus 4 that side, it will become plus 4, or x is equal to, send this plus 2 that side, minus 2. These are your zeros. These are the two zeros of this equation. Okay, so you also have to find sum of zeros, right? So sum of zeros, that is, you have to add them. Plus 4 minus 2, 4 minus 2, that will be 2, and product of zeros. That will be 4 into minus 2 will be 4 into minus 2, that will be minus 8. So you have got these zeros. Now you have to put it in the formula of sum of zeros and product of zeros. You have to put these zeros in the formula. The formula for product of zeros is sum of zeros minus b by a. So in this equation, see guys, in this equation, what is your b? B will be 2. So minus of minus 2, because b is already minus 2, upon a, that is 1. So that will be plus 2 by 1, that will be plus 2. So the sum of zeros, see here, the sum of zeros from the zeros we got and from formula, it is matching. Product of zeros, the formula for product of zeros is c by a. So in this case, minus 8 by 1, it will be minus 8. So yeah, again the product of zeros what we got from factorization and from formula is matching. So yeah, our sum is correct. So for such kind of sums, there is one advantage guys, you can verify if your sum is correct or wrong. So now let us move to second question. 4s square minus 4s plus 1. So again multiply 4 into 1, that will give 4. Okay, and the factors of this such that we form minus 2 minus 2 minus 2 minus 4, yeah, 4s square minus 2s plus 2s minus 2s plus 1. So from this take 2s common, 2s, and what will remain? 2s plus, if you take 2s common, 2s plus 1, then you take minus 1 and 2s plus 1. So see, 2s plus 1 in the bracket, 2s plus 1, and this 2s minus 1, 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2s plus 1 will be 2s minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore s is equal to, in this 1 goes that side, minus 1. 2s is equal to 1. Then s is equal to minus 1 by 2. S is equal to plus 1 by 2. So now again sum of zeros. Sum of zeros will be 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2. So the LCM will be 4 to 1 into 1. It will be 2, sorry, 2 1 minus 1, that will be 0 by 2. Any 0, any number there, so this will be 0. Yeah guys, because you can't divide 0 further, so this sum of zeros will be 0. And then product of zeros, product of zeros, wait guys, I guess we are going wrong somewhere. So product of zeros will be what's the product of zeros? 1 by 2, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, be 2 by 2. So 2 by 2 cross multiply, 2 goes here, 2 goes here, so 2 by 2, it will be 1, because 1 by 2 is half, half into half, so it will be 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 product, and this will be, so sum means addition. Yeah, we went wrong here, sum means addition, So this will be 2 into 1, 2 by 4. So 2 by 2, 2 1 2 1 are. Sum of zeros will be 1 and product of zeros will be 1 by 4. So let us say by formula sum of zeros formula will be minus b by a. So what is minus of minus 4 by a is 4 ones are, so plus 4 ones are. So yeah, sum of zeros is plus 1, we got it 1. Product of zeros that will be c by a. So what is our c? 1. What is our a? 4. So yeah, even the product of zeros is same, so our sum is same. Correct. These problems are very easy, guys. So now the third problem. Okay, 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. 6x square minus 3 minus 7x. So as you can see, it is not in the form of ax square minus bx plus c. So you have to rearrange it. 6x square minus 7x minus 3. So now find the factors. 6 into 3, that will be 18. Factors such that you get minus 7. So minus 9 plus 2. Minus 9 plus 2 will get minus 7. So yeah, 6x square minus 9x plus 2x minus 3. Therefore from this take 3x common. 3x after you take common here, you have 2x minus 3 plus just take here 1 common, 2x minus 3. So 2x minus 3 and then here 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 2x minus 3 is equal to 0. 3x plus 1 is equal to 0. 2x is equal to, this minus 3 was here, so this will be 3. 3x is equal to minus 1. X is equal to 3 by 2 or x is equal to minus 1 by 3. So now find out sum of zeros. Sum of zeros will be, okay, sum of zeros, what we have got as zeros as minus 1 by 3 and 3 by 2. So sum of zeros minus 1 by 3 plus 3 by 2. Say the LCM will be 6, 3 to the 6 into 2 into 3. So minus 2 plus 9, that will be minus 7 by 6. Minus 7 by 6. This is your sum of zeros. Product of zeros. Product of zeros will be 3 by 2 into minus 1 by 3. So that will be 2 into 1. So just cross multiply this guys. Okay. 3 ones are. So that will be minus 1 by 2. Product of zeros. So sum of zeros by formula minus b by a, that will be minus of minus 7 by 6 and plus 7 by 6. If you are minus 2 plus 9 plus 7 by 6, we got it here. So product of zeros and that is product of zeros c by a. So what is the c in this equation? 3. So minus 3 by a, what is your a? 6. So 3 ones are 3 twos are, so minus 1 by 2. So see here guys, product of 0 by formula and product of 0 by factorization, we got the same, so this sum is correct. So now fourth sum. Okay guys, so what does the fourth question say? 4u square plus 8u. See now, 4u square plus 8u, it is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. So 4u square plus 8u plus 0. So there's no, so you don't have to find out the factors. Just from this to take 4u common, 4u, then it will remain u plus 2. So u plus 2 is equal to 0, or 4u is equal to 0, then u is equal to minus 2, or u is equal to 0 by 4, that is equal to 0. Now sum of zeros, that is minus 2 plus 0, that will be minus 2. Product of zeros, it will be minus 2 into 0, that will be 0. Product of zeros will be 0. Now by formula, sum of zeros by formula, minus b by a, that will be minus 8 by 4. So 4 ones are 4 twos are, so minus 2. So sum of zeros by formula and sum of zeros by factorization, both are minus 2, and product of zeros. Product of zeros, c by a. What is c? C is 0. 0 by 4. 0 divided by any number is 0. Right? So you got product of zeros by formula and by factorization same. So this sum is correct. So next sum, fifth sum, t square minus 15. Okay, so you see, you don't have to do anything here, they have already given you. So let us say t square minus 15 is equal to 0, therefore t square is equal to 15. Send this 15 that side, then t is equal to root of 15 plus or minus. Therefore t is equal to plus root 15, or t is equal to minus root 15. These are the two zeros. Then you can say sum of zeros. Sum of zeros will be, see, 1 is plus, 1 is minus. So root 15 plus root 15 minus root 15, they both get cancelled. So sum of zeros will be 0. Plus 15 minus 15 is 0. So plus root 15 minus root 15 also will be 0. Then product of zeros, that will be root 15 into root 15 plus root 15 into minus root 15. So root gets cancelled, and then the product will be minus 15. You know why? Because see, this will be whenever a same number under root is multiplied twice, then the answer will come like this. See now, suppose if you have root 8 into root 8, the answer will be 8. Any number, you just have to do this, you don't have to solve. So now sum of zeros by formula, sum of zeros minus b by a. So what is minus b here? So b is minus 15. Minus 15 by a is 1. Yes, b, you don't have b here, right guys? This is c. b is not there, so 0, then 0, so this matches are this. And then product of zeros, c. What is the formula for product of zeros? C by a. What is c here? 15 by 1, so c is minus 15, so we got minus 15 by 1, so the sum is also correct. Now the sixth sum, 3x square minus x minus 4. Okay, so find out the factors. 3 4s are into 4, that will be 12, such that we get minus 1, so minus 4 plus 3, yeah, so 3x square minus 4x plus 3x minus 4. So from this you can take x as common, 3x minus 4 plus here you can't take anything common because this is 3x and 4, so just take one common, plus 1 common, then it will be 3x minus 4. So these two are same, so 3x minus 4, then x plus 1 is equal to 0. So 3x minus 4 is equal to 0, or x plus 1 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 4, x is equal to 4 by 3, then this one x is equal to minus 1. So sum of zeros will be 4 by 3 plus minus 1 by 1, so LCM will be 3 into 1 into 3, so 4 minus 3, that will be 1 by 3, read 1 by 3. So this is the sum of zeros. Then sum of zeros by formula, minus b by a. So what is minus b? Minus 1 of 9. This is already minus b, then also our b is minus c, minus of minus 1, and what is a? A is 3, so that is 1 by 3. So sum of zeros by formula and sum of zeros by zeros also same. Now product of zeros, okay, what is product of zeros? So 4 by 3 into minus 1, what do you get it as? 4 by 3 into minus 1, that will be minus 4 by 3, correct? So product of zeros by formula, that is c by a. What is c in this equation? Minus 4 by a. What is a? 3. So see guys, product of zeros also by formula and by this factorization method, both are same, so our sum is totally correct. Okay, so now let us go on to our second question. Okay, what does the second question say? Second question says that find a quadratic polynomial each with the given numbers as the sum and product of its zeros respectively. Sum and product of its zeros respectively. So what they are saying here is, the first one they have given that is its sum, and the second one they have given that is its product. Okay, so 1 by 4 is the sum and minus 1 will be the product. So root 2 is the sum, 1 by 3 will be the sum, 0 is the product, root 5 will be the sum. So they have given us the zeros, we just have to form the quadratic equation. So there's a formula for this, okay, to form a quadratic equation. Equation is equal to x square plus sum of zeros x plus product of zeros. It is as that simple, guys. You just have to put the sum of zeros here into x and product of zeros. So let us start with first one. What is first one? 1 by 4 comma minus 1. Sum of zeros is 1 by 4 and product of zeros is minus 1. So put it in there, x square plus 1 by 4x minus 1. So this is our equation, but we don't want to keep this 4 in denominator. It doesn't look good. It is not so you can leave it here itself, but since we can remove it, let us remove it. So multiply the whole equation with 4. Okay, so 4 into x square plus 4 into 1 by 4x minus 4 into 1. So this will become 4x square plus 4 gone, 1x minus 4. So this is your equation. Now second one root 2 comma 1 by 3. So the sum of zeros is root 2, product of zeros is 1 by 3. So put it in the formula, x square plus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros so yeah, put in x square plus root 2x plus 1 by 3. Yeah, even here you can leave this 3 as that, or you can multiply the whole expression by 3. So 3x square plus 3 into root 2x plus 3 into 1 by 3. So we'll cancel. That will give you the equation as 3x square plus 3 root 2x plus 1. As simple as that, guys. See here. When you multiply it, you'll get this as your equation. Okay. Now, next problem, that is 0 comma root 5. So equation is equal to x square plus sum of zeros x plus product of zeros. So x square plus 0x plus root 5. That will be x square plus root 5. This will be our equation, the third one. So now let us move on to fourth one, 1 comma 1. Okay, equation will be x square plus sum of zeros x plus product of zeros Okay, so now here, what is x square plus what is sum of zeros? 1 plus what is product of zeros? 1. So this is your equation. Now again, let us solve fifth one. So sum of zeros is minus 1 by 4 and product of zeros is 1 by 4. So now put it in this formula, x square plus, in this they have given sum of zeros as minus, no? So x square minus 1 by 4x plus 1 by 4. Now you want to remove this 4, right? So multiply the whole equation by 4. This whole equation multiplied by 4 will be 4x square minus 4 into 1 by 4x plus 4 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 1 by 4. So this 4 goes, this 4 goes. So what will be our equation? It will be 4x square minus 1x plus 1. So this is our equation, guys. As simple as that. So now let us solve sixth sum. Okay, what are the 4 comma 1. So what is the formula for equation? X square plus sum of zeros into x minus, sorry, plus product of zeros. So put this in this formula. This is sum of zeros, this is product of zeros. So that will be x square plus 4x plus 1. So this is our equation. With this we complete exercise 2.2 of chapter 2, that is polynomials. So guys, if you have any doubt, please ask me in the comment section below, or you can message me at my Instagram. I have left the link of my Instagram ID in the description box below. If you like whatever I am teaching, please make sure to like the video, which motivates me. Also, to study full syllabus of mathematics class 10, you can just follow this channel. Okay guys, thank you.